Here I've got DOOGEE Y7, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first you have to open the browser that we are using, then click on the More icon, which is 3.1 in the right upper corner, and then select History. And then click on Clear Browsing Data. You will find here basic and advanced options, so just read and mark those that you would like to apply. You've got browsing history, cookies, media licenses and site data, cache images and files, and then a few more like saved passwords, auto-fill from data and site settings. To unmark something, just unclick it. Then select the time range, so decide from when you would like to remove this history, and in my case that would be all time. And finally just tap on Clear Data. Confirm it by tapping on Clear, and that's it, you've just cleared Chrome data. Congrats, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.